Hello.
Hello friends, welcome to today's video lesson. Our topic for today is adverb. So let's go right into the lesson. What's an adverb, Ms. Ngozi? An adverb is a word that describes a verb. Okay? So adverb, they love to describe, but they don't just describe any word, they only describe verbs. Okay? Adverb is a word that describes a verb. Now let's see three types of adverb in this video. The first is adverb of manner. So adverb of manner tells us how the action happened. It tells us how the verb happened, how the action happened. Let's see this example. The kids are playing nicely. Okay, so in this sentence, what's the action word? Playing. Playing is the verb. Now let's look for the adverb. Let's ask this question. How are the kids playing? They are playing nicely. So nicely is the adverb because it is telling us how the action is happening. Okay? So adverb of manner tells us how, when you see a word, a descriptive word that is telling us how the action happened in a sentence, that word is an adverb. The second, adverb of time. Now, adverb of time tells us when the action happened. It tells us when the verb happened, when the action happened. Now, let's see this example. My team finished early. What's the action word? Finished. Finished is the verb. Now let's ask the big question. When did my team finish? When did my team finish? My team finished early, making early the adverb. Okay, because early is describing the verb and it is telling us when. It's telling us the time the verb happened. And the third one, adverb of place. It tells us where the action happened. It tells us where the action happened. Let's see this example. The children walked inside. So what's the action word? Walked. That's the verb. Now, where did the children walk to? They walked inside. So the word inside is talking about the walked, the verb walked. It's telling us where the action happened. Now, something I want you to note, adverb never describes a noun or a pronoun. It's a no. Adverb never describes a noun or a pronoun. Adverb describes verb, and adjective describes a noun or a pronoun. Okay, so when you see a descriptive word in a sentence, check if it is describing a noun, a pronoun, or a verb. If it's describing a verb, it's an adverb. If it's describing a noun or a pronoun, it's an adjective. Okay? Let's see this example. Is the word in bold an adjective or adverb? Now, this is the sentence. Kelvin will wash the dirty dishes. The word in bold is dirty. Okay, so the word dirty, is it an adjective or is it an adverb? Kelvin will wash the dirty dishes. So, dirty is describing the word dishes. And dishes is a noun in this sentence. Okay, so making the word dirty an adjective because adjectives describe nouns. Alright? Another thing I want you to note is you add ly to an adjective to make it an adverb. For instance, if you have quick, which is an adjective, you add ly, it becomes quickly. Quickly is an adverb. If you have happy as an adjective, you add ly, it becomes happily. And when your adjective ends with y, you change the y to an I before you add your ly. Alright? If you have had as an adjective, you add ly, it becomes hadly. Okay, so you could add ly to your adjective to change them to adverb. Let's see this example. Mrs. Green's children have beautiful dresses. And the second sentence, Mrs. Green's children dressed beautifully. So for the first sentence, we're going to be looking at the word beautiful. Is it an adjective or an adverb? I'll read the sentence again. Mrs. Green's children have beautiful dresses. Now, beautiful is describing the word dresses, and in this sentence, dresses is a noun. That means the word beautiful is an adjective because adjectives describe nouns. Now in our second sentence, Mrs. Green's children dressed beautifully. The word beautifully is describing dressed, and dressed is an action word. It's a verb, making the word beautifully an adverb. Now if you notice something, the first sentence has beautiful. There is no additional ly. And the second sentence is beautifully. We added ly to the word beautiful. So you can change your adjectives to adverbs by adding ly to them, okay? And also note that adjectives describe nouns and adverb describes verbs. We have come to the end of this lesson. I would love you to try out this activity. See you in my next class. Bye-bye.